erasers by the office. So this one got broken down, has choke points in the corners. It was basically the same as this one, but the top just got cracked, and here it also cracked. So now what I do is I salvage the magnet from here. I salvage the Velcro that's underneath, and you just add the felt backing over here. Now this is 3D printed, it's 12% infill, it's a small one, so you just push in the magnet, hammer it down a bit. The only issue was getting the magnet backing as well was a bit tricky. You need to put it in a vise and just remove it. So let me try and just apply the felt. Here it does hold. So yeah, this is now a working version, and it's good for grip. And I also rounded the corners over here. Now this thing costs €8 per unit, while this only has like 50 grams, I think, in filament, which is next to nothing.